we have reached our extremely scenic view of the water flowing in this waterfall. As you have clearly your extreme supreme intelligence that we're in the middle of a savannah and we're gonna find a waterfall. And this thing, why would you trust this? We end up always like we went to that zoo. We landed 10 kilometers in the middle of a highway away from there. What makes you think that the waterfall exists? Like probably the waterfall.
What do you think of this place?
So that there is a water.
So you can see the waterfall?
It's extremely big.
Got the waterfall. See? Got the waterfall? Come here.
Oh, that's so. Alright, hold me.
I thought you were the one complaining about it's a savannah, there's nothing, you know?
I like this.
Huh?
I like this.
So are you enjoying it? And what are you complaining about the savannah?
No, I said there's no waterfall. I don't like waterfalls.
And did you see the waterfall? Was
I
it?
don't like waterfalls. I like savannah.
But did you see the waterfall also? So was everything wrong? This one is a big one. Careful. Yeah.